One.
Hey guys, it's Moneybags here, and today we will be playing the one, the only, Will You Press the Button? The game where you are given a situation with a downside, and you have to decide whether you will press the button or not. Of course, this first one here says you can stop 9/11 from happening, but you are permanently blind. I'm gonna say I will not. Let's see. Let's see how many people said no. Okay, 59% of people pressed the button. Did not press the button. 41% did. Alright, this next one says, you can have anything you want in the world, but you have no emotion and any ambition or motivation in you. You can never get them back. I'm gonna say I will not. Alright. Let's see what the percentage is. Survey said 36 pressed the button, but 64 did not. That's a pretty big difference. My goodness. Oh. Alright, let's go to the next one. Ooh, this one's a tough one. You live in the Star Wars universe, but you are a clone. Well, I'm gonna say I will not. Alright, 41% of people pressed the button, 59 didn't. Pretty good. Pretty good odds, I must say. Oh, great. Another Star Wars one. You will be given a fully functional lightsaber, but everyone on the planet suddenly despises Star Wars. I will not. I will not. Ooh, 68% of people actually pressed it, but 32% didn't. Ho, 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 ho. Because they don't care if people hate Star Wars, they just want their lightsaber. Ooh, this one's a toughie. You save the world and make it a better place, but you go down in history as a bad person. I think I'm gonna have to press the button. Let's see what it says. Okay, yeah, 69% of people pressed it, but 31% didn't. Okay, yeah. Can see where that's coming from. Okay. You get to live the life of a celebrity, but you have to become either Freddie Mercury, Kurt Cobain, or Chris Farley. You died the same exact day and time like they did. Sorry if this triggers you, but I don't know who any of these people are. I'm gonna say I will not press the button, though, cause, yeah. Okay, here we go. Only 29% of people pressed the button, while 71% did not. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, Ooh, baby. Okay, you can speak every language, but only as long as you aren't in the country where the language is from. I'm gonna have to press it. Gonna have to press it. Here we go. If it'll work. Okay, there we go. Alright, so 61% of people pressed the button, while 39% did not. It'd be pretty cool to be able to speak every language in the world.
Okay.
Alright, so this one says, you will be able to capture memories and relive them whenever, but your mom has to watch them with you. Oh, my mom may be watching this video right now. In fact, she probably is, so I'm gonna have to say I will, in fact, press the... But actually, I don't really know. You know what? I'm gonna have to say I will not. So, yeah, I will not. Okay, this one's kind of an even split. 45% of people pressed it, while 55% did not. I can see that. I can see that. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. You will become the best artist in the world, but you will keep drawing on the wrong layer. I'm sorry. I will not. 57% of people pressed the button, but 43% did not. Okay. Guess people really want to show off their drawing talent, huh? Okay, this one's funny. You oversee an entire powerful nation, but you can't see why kids love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I don't know if I will or if I don't know. I'm gonna say I will not. Wow. What the what? 79% of people pressed it, but 21% didn't? My goodness. Sorry if you heard that. I had a marker in my hand and it just fell on the floor. This one's interesting. You have infinite internet, but you can only use it for Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. I will not press the button! Oh, this time it's the reverse. 29 people pressed it. 29% of people pressed it, but 71% did not. Nice little turn of the tables, know what I'm saying? Oh boy. This one says you can go into fictional worlds. I think they mean worlds, but you can never read a book again. I think I'm gonna have to press the button. I think I'm gonna have to. I pressed it. Okay, 76% of people pressed it, while 24% did not. It'd be pretty cool, but yeah, losing your ability to read books. Whoa, okay, this one has a lot of words. You can live and travel to any film/video game/comic universe you want and become immortal and die whenever you want, but you can't return to real life anymore and can't communicate to anyone you have ever known until your day of your first travel. I'm going to say I will not. And until next time, this is Moneybag saying goodbye.